Hello everyone. In this question, we have a potential difference of 2 volts is applied between points A and B as shown in the network drawn in the figure. Calculate the first part, equivalent resistance of the network between the points A and B, and the second part is magnitude of the currents in the arms AFCEB and AFDEB. So let us see first of all the key concepts used in this question. So number one, we have Wheatstone bridge. The second concept used is Ohm's law. The third concept used is the calculation of equivalent resistances. So now let us analyze the circuit given in the question. This I will say that I will pick up the point A and just flip it over the left side. So this will become a kind of this figure. This is 2 volt battery, this is point B, this is point E, this is point A, this is F, this is point D, and this is point C. And these are resistance, all are having value 2 ohms. I am taking these values or representing as P, this as Q, this is R, and this is S. So and this is I am taking as X. So from the knowledge of Wheatstone bridge, I can say since P upon Q is equal to R upon S, which implies 2 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 2, which implies balanced Wheatstone bridge. And since it is a Wheatstone bridge has been proved, then I can say that the current in the branch DC will be 0. So the equivalent network diagram or the circuit diagram can be redrawn as, like this. This is point A, this is F, this is D, this is point E, and this is B, connected across a potential of 2 volts, and this is P, this is Q, this is R, and this is S resistance, and this point is C. So this is simplified diagram of the above network. Now to calculate the equivalent resistance, I can say that resistance P and resistance R are in series. Similarly, resistance Q and resistance S are also in series, but the equivalent of these two resistance are in parallel. If I am taking this as R1 and this as R2, then equivalent resistance will become 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So let us calculate. R1 is equal to Rp plus Rr, which will become 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 ohm. Similarly, R2 will become Rq plus Rs is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 ohm. Now to calculate the equivalent resistance, we have 1 upon R equivalent is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, and this comes out to be R equivalent is equal to 2 ohm. So the complete equivalent resistance of the whole network comes out to be 2 ohms. So the first part has been done here. We will move now to the second part. So it is asked that the current in AFDEB and the current in AFCEB in both the branches. Now if you see this circuit, these two branches are in parallel, FDEB and AFCEB EB, both are in parallel, and since they are in parallel they have the equal potential difference, and since they have the equal potential difference, then we can calculate the current using Ohm's law easily. So I can say from this network diagram, so let me redraw this as like this. These all are 2 ohms and this is connected with 2 volt battery. So the current in the total network diagram can be calculated as V upon R equivalent. Since R equivalent comes out to be 2 ohm and the voltage is also 2 volt, so the current comes out to be 1 ampere. This 1 ampere current is for the whole circuit. Now since voltage is same in both branches, because they are in parallel, so I can say I current in AF DEB is equal to V upon R1 is equal to 2 upon 2, this is 4 ohm. R1 comes out to be 4 ohm, which is the equivalent resistance of the upper branch, which comes out to be 0.5 ampere. And similarly in the same fashion we have current in AF CEB. Since the potential is same, we can say V upon R2, and R2 again is 4, V is 2, and this also comes out to be 0.5 amperes. So we have the first part answer as R equivalent of the network is 2 ohm, and for the second part the current in both the branches AF DEB is equal to current in AF CEB comes out to be 0.5 amperes. One thing I would like to note here, that you have to note here, if a Wheatstone bridge which is balanced, okay, or we can say balanced Wheatstone bridge has all the resistances of same value, then the equivalent resistance will also be equal to any one resistance. What does it mean? Since in this question all the resistances are of 2 ohm, it is given in the question all the resistance are of 2 ohm, and also we have find out that this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge, so we can directly say that the equivalent resistance of this whole network comes out to be 2 ohm. So this is the trick in this question. Thank you.